Okay, so this is my first devlog of Mirage V6. The Mirage is a project I've been working on for the past, like, I don't know, 3 years, which is basically a large language model that I programmed by myself and trained over a year. So it's a year of hard work. And I went to make it my personal desktop assistant just for fun. And what better thing to do than add funny, like, functions it can run for me. So in this case, I'm going to be programming a soundboard, because who doesn't want a soundboard on their computer? Normally when I join a Discord call, my friends mute my soundboard because I overuse it. But in this case, they have to mute me to use it. But who wants to mute me? I'm such a funny guy. So yeah, I'm gonna be programming this soundboard that my AI could run, and I could use for myself too. This soundboard took so long, I'm gonna kill myself. Okay, right. So I basically just finished it at a reasonable time. So basically, what I have to do is press Ctrl+Shift+A, which allows me to bring up this wheel I have, and it will detect the mouse's angle corresponding to the center, which allows me to check which of these quadrants I'm in. So for example, if I'm over here in this, whatever this angle is, it plays that sound. And the way I play sound is through an what's called a virtual input cable, via FFmpeg, I think is what it's called. And then which allows me to create a virtual cable in which I can play sound through. And to link up my normal mic plus this virtual cable mic, which I play my sounds through, I'm using voice meter, which allows me to bridge my input mic, as you can tell I'm talking and this one's playing, and my soundboard mic. Play it, you can see it go up in volume, and it basically merges these two mics together, real mic and soundboard, into one mixer. I think that's what it's called at least, which allows me to play my voice and the soundboard at the same time. In addition to these 5 amazing effects, I get to create my own custom effects. So, oh, I got an error. That should not happen. Yeah, so I could play my own virtual effects. So if I press Ctrl+Shift and Q, I can record my own audio. So for example, oh, I'm not editing the video right now. So for example, if I do Ctrl+Shift+Q, oh, what the fuck? When I hold Ctrl+Shift+Q, it will record my mic until I stop holding it. So for example, hello, hello, hello. And then if I open my wheel and I do custom 1, because it's in slot number 1 right now, hello, hello, hello. And it just merges it. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And I can keep doing this, so it saves the previous 3 sound effects. So if I do back rooms, okay, I just closed out my entire. If I do 3 new audios, back is gonna show up in 3, rooms is gonna show up in 2, back room is gonna show up in 1, and it will erase the previous segment, right, in which I said hello 3 times. So for example, back rooms, back rooms, back rooms, back rooms, back rooms. You know what I mean? Back rooms. Get it? Like the show Back Rooms. Yeah, we have fun here on the Mycoal YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's basically it for this soundboard here. I have a lot of other functions that this thing could do from version 5 at least. Version 4, I'm like planning to do like this whole like intricate network system. But for this, but for Mirage V5, I have focus mode. It detects if I'm awake or not. It can launch apps. It can alert me, check my calendar, timer, etc. I'm planning on adding a lot more than that. So stay tuned. You know, subscribe. Follow my devlog series. This is gonna be an epic series. Heh, yeah.
Okay, so this is like in the future by a decent amount, but now there's like a very satisfying wind up sound effect, and it also animates. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's it. Yeah.